Hi guys, let me show you how to estimate an impulse response function from a VAR model in just 3 minutes. What is an impulse response function? It shows how a shock to one variable impacts others over time in a vector autoregression model. And economists use it to study policy effects, market reactions, and more. We're going to be using the Eviews software to demonstrate an example of impulse response function. Okay. The steps for impulse response function is first of all to estimate the VAR model. We click on Quick. We scroll down to estimate VAR. We input the variables of a model. Then you select lag length. Then click OK. And thereafter we go to generate IRFs. We click on View. We scroll down to impulse response function. And then we click OK to plot the IRFs graph. Let's see an example using Eviews. We go to Quick. Then we click on estimate VAR. Then we type in our model. This is the difference of the log of real GDP, difference of the log of education spending, and difference of the log of health spending. We will click OK. This is the primary result of the VAR model. In order to generate IRF, we click on View, go to Impulse Response, and this is the impulse response. Leave it at all these settings this way, and then we click OK. Now, this is the impulse response function graph. Let us have an expanded view of it. Let's have an expanded view of it. Okay, looking at the graphs, see the first one, response of GDP to GDP, shows that initial positive boost to GDP but falls and then stabilizes. The next one, between education spending and GDP, shows that education initially has no GDP effect. It dips slightly and then rebounds positively in the medium term and stabilizes to zero long-term impact. And the next one, GDP with health, shows that GDP did not react instantly to health, but a 1% shock to health spending to GDP, and then the positive effect fades over time and no permanent impact on GDP. And then the positive GDP shock leads to immediate drop in education spending and deepens. The education sees funding as GDP growth stabilizes, no lasting impact. So this is how we explain it with respect to the variables, each of the graphs. So if you want to watch the full tutorial, you go to my YouTube videos page and watch the video titled Vector Autoregression. Please don't forget to follow for more tips. Thank you.